Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Terry's Gardening Channel. Today is January the 30th, and we have our eucalyptus seedlings here, and they're starting to get their true leaves. So it is time to start feeding them. And how I feed these is I take the Miracle-Gro all-purpose water soluble plant food, and I mix it with a gallon of water. It's a half a teaspoon to a gallon of water. It's a half a teaspoon of the plant food to a gallon of water. Sorry about that. And you never want to feed a dry plant because you risk burning the root system. So I made sure these were well watered, and then I took my eyedropper and I fed them some of the plant food. So we'll just let these continue to grow, and we'll feed them once a week with our plant food. And so if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button that'll tell you when I put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and hope you have a nice day. Bye.